Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to talk about AI agents. So AI agents are made up of two words, AI and agents. Well, AI, as we know, artificial intelligence, which is to make a machine intelligent, or I would say mimic of humans. Agent is someone whom we have employed to do a certain task. So ultimately, what we understand from here is AI agent is a system where we have employed AI based model, let us say LLM, large language model, to do a specific task. Well, LLMs, with the advent of ChatGPT, it's a chatbot with whom we can interact, a model trained on huge amount of data, which can perform a lot of tasks like content creation, summarization, coding. Ultimately, it's a text generation. So, if we use such model to do a specific task, then obviously it's an AI agent. There are certain more things are required to build a system, entire system, not only LLM. We have to build the entire system. Okay. Therefore, in general, an AI agent is a program or a system that can capture the information from the environment based upon its capability, its reasoning, its algorithm. It can take decision, it can make decision and apply, perform action. And the goal which it needs to achieve, it will achieve it. The entire system is autonomous in nature. We'll focus upon this word, autonomous. Okay. So AI agent is an autonomous system which has been designed to perform a certain task. Well, it uses obviously AI, machine learning, rule based systems, neural network to process the inputs, perform reasoning, and take an action. The key characteristics of AI agents are, as I already mentioned in the definition, that it performs the perception of the information, it takes the information as an input, process it, perform reasoning on it, because it need to take a decision. And then based upon the decision, it will perform an action. It has to achieve a goal. We can assign a task or a goal to AI agent. There could be a single task, there could be a multiple task also. So depend upon the capability of AI agent, it will do. Obviously, AI agent is autonomous in nature, and some agents do adapt, change, or improve based upon the experience. That is reinforcement learning. They learn from the environment, and on the basis of the mistakes, they are given penalty and they improve, they learn in order to reduce the penalty or loss. There are certain examples of AI agents, like we can have a virtual assistant, Siri, Alexa, customer service chatbots, also self-driving car, autonomous vehicle are example of AI agent. Recommendation systems that we have seen a lot in machine learning, like Netflix, Amazon recommendation system. They can also be an AI agent. Then game AI, video games that make decisions to interact with the player, a non-player system in a video game. That is also an AI agent. Also robots, robotic agents. In industries right now, such kind of robotic system has been developed which are helping or assisting in manufacturing by doing multiple tasks like assembly, welding. So that is also based upon AI agent. So here we can see the diagram of AI agent that they are autonomous in nature, they are task specific, they are reactive also. For example, if you have set up an AI agent to know latest news, latest AI news, if we give a query to the agent that kindly give us latest AI news, so this agent will automatically search on the web through the API's application programming interface. It will access the information, then it will perform the reasoning, it will take a decision, and it will give you an answer that this is the latest AI news. So it's all automated system. Perception, reasoning, decision, output, delivery, learning. This is what an AI agent is. Okay. So there are multiple types of AI agents like simple reflex agent, no memory or consideration of past states. They are simple. They do have a predefined rule and the current input. Accordingly, they will take an action. For example, a thermostat. It will turn on and off based upon the temperature. If the temperature is low, that means if it's cool, thermostat will on. If the temperature is high, it will off automatically. That's what it means. Simple reflex agent. Model based reflex agents, they use an internal model to make decision, considering past and the current states. For example, a vacuum cleaner that maps a room to avoid obstacle. Okay, so if an AI agent is using a model to make a decision, if it is performing some reasoning, then it's a model based reflex agent. It should consider the past and the current states. It will keep in mind, it will keep in track. We do have goal based agents also, okay, which often perform planning or search because they are built on that setup, making decision to achieve a specific goal. For example, if there is a robot and the goal or the task of the robot is to put a box from A to B. So what are the steps it need to perform? Pick up a box, then move towards B. Okay, so there will be a location of A, there will be location of B. The robot will take the steps. Obviously, it will try to find the shortest route, navigation, like something. And once it reaches to the B, it will put the box. So goal-based agents. Utility-based agents are also there. like to optimize decisions based on a utility or to maximize satisfaction or the performance. For example, stock trading. Well, if we do have a board, if we do have an AI agent, we are not doing like anything. We have handed over the task to the AI agent that kindly tell us or inform us when to invest in a stock so that we can have a maximized profit while minimizing the risk. So AI agent will keep on track of whatever be the activities happening in the trading, and it will update or inform based upon the optimized decisions, based upon its utility function, that this is the right time to invest, kindly go ahead. So this is utility based AI agent. We are having learning agent also, like which do improve over a time. As I already told you, reinforcement learning based upon the data or the experiences. Okay, so let's say a spam email filter that learns to identify spam based upon the user feedback. So obviously, reinforcement learning is based upon the user feedback. Your AI agent or a model has given you some answer or some reply. Whether you are satisfied with that or not, you can give a feedback. Based upon the feedback, the agent will learn. If the feedback is positive, obviously, the agent will be given the credits. Okay, and if the feedback is poor, then obviously agent needs to improve. It needs to learn. So learning agents are there. Then we are having multi-agent system also. It's not like that only a single agent has been deployed. There could be a multiple task in a system, and we may require multiple agents to do those tasks. So multiple agents are deployed in such a way that they can interact, they can collaborate to achieve the goals. For example, swarm robotics, where multiple robots coordinate for tasks like search and rescue. Okay, so here the entire system is made up of multiple agents and they are helping, assisting each other. Okay, so this is all about the introduction of AI agents. We will study more on AI agents ahead. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.